Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create like a mask on Dress to Impress. So maybe like the theme is like spy or ninja or something and you want to be one. You're going to color the skin tone like the color of the mask. Let me just get this gold. I'm so sorry, I can't. And then you are going to go here to the eye mask. And you're going to basically color it the same color as your skin tone. I thought I had it saved. I don't know what happened. Hold on. Okay, maybe let's just use that. Okay. And then you can also change like the hairstyle and hair color if you'd like to. But like make sure it covers that area. So let me just choose one like this. And then you're going to go to the codes and you're going to use the eyelashes one. Might change the hair color to like a dark color as well. And then you can even like color just the rest, like this dark color if you'd like to create like kind of like a suit, I guess. Maybe like take off the belt. And that is pretty much it. Just decorate it however you like. I'm just doing this for now. But yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.